How to use a ONE4ALL gift card online at Curry's. I'm going to tell you how to use your ONE4ALL gift card online at Curry's. Step 1. Ensure your ONE4ALL card has the chip and PIN feature. Without it, online transactions are limited to €50 due to EU regulations. Step 2. Activate your chip and PIN card on the ONE4ALL website or app before use. Step 3. At checkout on currys.ie, select Visa Debit as your payment method. Step 4. Enter your ONE4ALL card's 16-digit number, expiry date, and CVV as you would with a standard debit card. Step 5. Complete any required authentication steps such as verified by Visa. Note, if your card lacks chip and PIN or you're encountering issues, consider using it in store instead.